Okay, a quick update. Here we have a sensor node with the natural gas sensor on board. Currently it is transmitting a test sequence followed by 8 readings of the gas sensor. Here I'm using SDR Sharp to verify the transmission. So we can see here the FSK transmission. I'm using the transceiver shield on top of a Digilant chip kit to help Bringup and development efforts. So tonight I began working on the receiver. Right now I'm just checking out the RSSI function. So you see these leads connected to the prototype. Going over to this DMM, and you can see as the transmit signal turns on from the sensor node across the garage, the RSSI jumps up a bit on the DMM. And of course we can calibrate the RSSI by looking at the transceiver datasheet and extracting the value in dBm that way. And then finally, on that Digilant chip kit, I installed Shell, which is a shell scripting language I developed from Fruit Shell. The difference here is that it's actually capable of executing SPI commands, as well as being able to execute individual pin read and writes. So one of the features I want to add to it is the actual analog reads, so that way I could read the RSSI. However, I think at this point I'm ready to actually put the software together to report RSSI and also pull data from the transceiver. The importance of a shell-based scripting system is that you can peek and poke individual registers on the target and configure your device under development instead of actually writing a whole software routine, compiling it, experimenting, and then retrying that. In this particular case, you can just write individual registers and determine if that write resulted in a performance that you expected. So that's it for this evening. Hopefully I'll have data tomorrow.